To sign Snowman in BSL, start with your hands open and your fingers apart. Then wiggle your fingers and move your hand down at the same time for the snow. 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 The sign for man is your fingers and thumb on either side of your chin, and then bring them together while moving down. Man. Together, it's snow, man. To use it in a sentence, you could ask somebody if they want to build a snowman. So, snow, man. Build is two closed hands together, and then just tap your dominant hand on your other hand. Build. You want. Want is a flat hand touching your chest and then moving down. Snow, man, build, you want.